Hey guys, welcome back to my project management sandbox. Haven't seen you for a while, so let's get directly to the chase on what are we doing here. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Chris, I'm a PMP certified project manager, and here we talk about managing projects, obviously career in tech and professional development. And today I would like to dive deep into how to organize a dashboard in JIRA. As you know, JIRA is one of the most popular task tracking tools nowadays, and I do not know a project manager who do not use JIRA at all. Okay, so that is why it's going to be even more important to know how to organize your space there and to be able to get an idea of what's going on your project from the first glance. So let's dive deep into this. By the way, before we are there, that would mean a world to me if you can just spend a couple of seconds and smash the like button right below to this video. First, it will give me more motivation to create more videos for you and to put there more value in order to get you on track and to help you succeed as a project manager. And the other side here is that YouTube will understand that this video is worth watching and it will help even more people to get to know on how to organize your dashboard in JIRA in a couple of minutes. Okay? So please do this right now. So I have changed my place as I'm gonna be dealing with a laptop right now and I would want to be a little bit more sustainable. So okay, let me share the screen and you're gonna see it right away. Just a second. We are in my test project in JIRA and I assume that you have already seen this board as we already have been going through it a couple of times. By the way, make sure to check this playlist where I'm breaking down how to set a project in JIRA quickly and how to create filters so that you will be able to find all the issues that you are interested in. So let's get started. First, what we're going to do is creating the new dashboard. Okay, so we need to name it. That would be helpful to clearly understand what this dashboard is about and to find it in a couple of seconds right after you log into your project. The idea behind is that you are able to create multiple dashboards for your project. You can either distribute it across the team members. By the way, what I usually like to do is to create the individual dashboard for each team member separately so that the person will have a quick access to all important information and all the tasks straight away. So here is our test dashboard for our project management sandbox. So let's see, we need to add a gadget here. By the way, you can change the layout of your dashboard and distribute the charts in a best convenient way. Okay, let's first add the pie chart. And again, the pie chart. By the way, my favorite charts are pie chart, countdown, and also I like bar charts, but sometimes depending on the assets that JIRA is offering in the specific set, they may not be available all the time. So to get some specific tool for your dashboard, potentially you would need to purchase an add-on for this. Okay, so be sure to create all the filters that you need in advance, because this is what exactly we are going to use in order to set the dashboard. So you have this episode here on how to create your filters, so make sure to watch it before setting up your dashboard. And as you see, we can pick the filter, and along with that we can pick a lot of different values on how are we going to filter the results on the dashboard. And what I usually also do is updating the chart every 15 minutes, otherwise it's gonna be set for good. Okay, so you will need to update the page manually if you would need to see the updated statuses there. So the first one that I have set are the tasks in progress that I currently have, and I have filtered that by the issue type. The second one that I'm gonna set is all the tasks that I have that assigned to me. So I need to know what other work I have on my list, and there are 39 tasks. I have filtered them by statuses so that I will have an idea where they're currently at. And one more filter that I love using on the dashboard is the tasks that are completed during the last day. And I'm gonna filter them by the issue type. Okay? Again, update every 15 minutes. That is extremely helpful when you're looking for the daily updates from your team, so that looking at the dashboard will give you a clear understanding what was done during the last day before your daily stand-up. Again, I hope you are doing those daily stand-ups, so if not, make sure on checking this episode where I'm breaking down how to execute daily stand-ups with your team. And the beautiful thing about the dashboard is that whenever you click on each piece of the pie chart or any line in your dashboard, it will promptly get you to the filter specific to this piece of the pie. So if we are clicking here, you will see not only my tasks, but only tasks that are currently in the to-do state. And as you see, there is a lot. And currently there are 2 to-do statuses and 2 done statuses. Mainly to-do were spelled differently in different projects. And why do we see all of them is that simply because in the filter that I have created, I have not set the project that I would like to search tasks in. So if I were setting up a filter once again for one specific project, and if this is the case that I'm having several projects in JIRA that are accessible to me, what I would want to do is to specify which project I'm looking into. Hey, now we are changing the dashboard layouts, and the beauty here is that you can simply drag and drop your chart to the column that you would want it to appear. So let's see what else can we add here. Again, maybe some tasks that are assigned to me. So you can see all the available gadgets here when you click on them. There could be charts, there could be wall words. So depending on what actually you would want to see on your dashboard. Let's add the activity stream. So here I will see everything that was going on in my project recently. So comments, statuses, updates, time logs, and so on. And also there could be a list view of the tasks assigned to me. You see, so I wanted to pick the countdown chart, but that was not possible simply because I do not have this add-on installed. Okay, this is the only one that is available for me right now, and to do this I need to purchase the license for this add-on. Okay, so let's not use it at this point then. So I have picked tasks assigned to me. There are going to be 10 in a list. There are going to be columns which I'm going to see in my dashboard, like issue type, key, summary, and the priority of the tasks. And there are other items available to be added to those columns if I would want to. Again, let's make it updated every 15 minutes. And here is the list of the tasks that I have. Also, here is the activity stream. And keeping everything here on the dashboard, I would want to change the layout so that it's gonna be one thin column and one thick one. As you see, I have added task assigned to me as a list view, so all my tasks is kind of irrelevant right now here. However, it presents the different view of all the tasks that I have in my list. So let's just get rid of the pie chart and keep the rest. And voila, you have the dashboard which is up to date. And to find add-ons, you will need just to visit the JIRA market. I hope that was helpful. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do this right now and don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in comments what else would you want to know about the project management tools. Chat soon. Bye.